Do not buy land in Africa without doing these 3 things. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be letting you guys know of 3 vital things you should absolutely do before buying any land in Africa. For my previous videos where I've been talking about how to buy land in Cameroon, I've noticed lots of questions that some of you guys asked me in my DMs and in my emails, and I thought of making this video once and for all to give you guys the 3 most important things. After watching this video, you might as well check out my previous video where I gave you guys lots and lots of tips or things to watch out for while buying land. So without wasting much of your time, let's go right into the points. The first thing you have to do before buying any land is to get the land title immatriculation from the owner. Obviously, after verifying his ID cards and everything, like I said in my previous video, you can't buy land without having done that with the owners. So what you need to do is get the matriculation number from the land title and get it checked at the land register in Yaoundé. If you can't do it yourself, you could get someone to do it for you. If you are far, like out of the country or any other place, you could get someone to do it for you. You could get a real estate agent to do it for you, or a family member who's available. It depends on you, but you absolutely need to get that checked before embarking on any buying of land. So the second thing you need to absolutely do before buying land is to have a geomet, or what we call in English a surveyor to measure the land for you instantly right there in front of everyone, so that you don't get duped at the level of your meter squared. Okay, if you are not vigilant enough, you are going to get duped either by the neighbor who has bought the land besides you or by the owner himself. So you better get a surveyor to do the checkup and everything for you, and also so that immediately after payment the surveyor can go ahead and start processing your dossier technique, which is the only first document that's going to guarantee you that land while waiting for your land title to be done. So you better come with your surveyor in order to start your dossier technique immediately. I kept the best for the last. The lawyer. Hiring a lawyer. I can't emphasize much on this. You can't go ahead to buy any land without having a lawyer by your side. Okay, don't do that mistake of trying to buy land. Some of us have to lose millions just because of that mistake. Okay, getting a lawyer will just cost you a few hundreds of thousands, and it's okay compared to the losses you might make if you dare to venture without contacting a lawyer. Okay, and getting a lawyer is so important because the lawyer is going to take care of all the papers for you. Every administrative step to take, the lawyer is going to do that for you. And the lawyer can also facilitate things for you, even at the level of the land registry to check the matriculation for you, and so many other things. So hope these tips really to help you out.
I'm gonna let you go.